Well, it's interesting that you say transparent. Let me question you if that's the right word or not. Have a look over here, everyone. Is this red stuff transparent?
Yeah.
It does translucent.
I can see you completely through it. Crystal clear, I can see through it. Can I see through both of these test tubes then?
Yeah.
I can. The word for being able to see through is the word you've already told me. What do you call it when you can totally see through something? So is the word transparent a good word to describe the color?
Translucent.
For what? Translucent has a different meaning. Translucent is where light does pass through, but do I look crystal clear like myself?
No.
No. This is translucent. But, I wish I had an example of one. Maybe I do. Transparent means I can completely see through it. There's nothing diffracting the light, causing any interference with the light, so the light rays are straight. I'm suggesting that the color for this is not transparent. Transparent doesn't describe the color of something.
Clear?
What color is this?
Red.
So we have clear on the table now. Is clear a word to use to describe the color of this?
No.
Is this clear? Yeah. What's the opposite of clear, do you think? See if we can make something that's the opposite of clear then. Is this clear?
No.
What's this? It's cloudy. So we got clear and cloudy. So is clear and cloudy, are they good words to use for color? You started off by telling me it's transparent, and I'm asking, is transparent a good word for color? So, what's a good word for the color of this one?
Green.
And I can clearly see through it. So what else is it besides green?
Red.
What's the word? It's transparent as well. So I'm no further ahead. I'm trying to figure out what color is this?
Clear.
Is this clear?
Yes.
So if the word clear applies to both of them. No color. Can you think of one word that means no color?
Colorless.
Colorless. What color is this?
Colorless.
What color is this?
Red.
Another student says this color is transparent. What do you tell them?
Colorless.
Transparent is a different property. Okay? Transparency is about how much light can pass through it. It's totally transparent, all the light can pass through it. It's not about color. So, I was asking for qualitative observations about the water on your coin. And now we've established it's colorless. Do you notice the difference between having just 4 drops on and then when you add the breaking drop? What seems to happen to it pops. The bubble, it seems like it looks like it has a what around. What does it seem like the water's gone around? Like a layer, like a skin, like a tight folding. And that's a feature that water has that we have to understand. Has anyone come across this feature of water before? The fact that it sticks to each other like that and forms that looks like a skin? You ever look at the surface of a pond? Who's happy that water has this property? Not who, students, but Siobhan?
I'm happy because
I don't mean who by students. Which creatures are happy? Which creatures take advantage of the surface being able to be stuck together like that?
fish.
Not fish. Jason?
The ones that walk on the water.
Did everyone hear what Jason said? He said the ones that walk on water. Who's having an aha moment right now? Jason said the insects that walk on water are glad that water has that sticky property. See how that works? There's a name for that tension that's created. It's called a surface tension. And the particles are sticking to each other. and we call that, creates a tension. It's like a skin stretched over, and the insects are happy. Good observation, Jason, because they can walk on that tension. So, I have a challenge for 7A. Could I have these 6 or 7 or 8 people just stand in the center where the chair is? You're all doing this, they're just the physical bodies. Could you people who are sitting down instruct them? They need to represent the water on a coin. You tell them where to put their bodies so that they can imitate the water on the coin.
Wait,
I'm the audience, you're all complicated. You're
wait, who's water?
I know, I'm not the coin.
You're not gonna tell them what to say?
I'm not the water either.
Guys who are sitting down over there, you're instructing them what to do. You're all building this model together. You just happen to have those people there. Knees together. Knees together?
Sit together. Sit down. Don't sit down. Come together.
Talk together, okay.
You need to
Maybe link hands together and make sure that you're forming like a circle. Yeah.
So there's a link of hands as the suggestion.
Link hands like this or like...
Yeah. No, wait. It doesn't matter. Just make a circle.
Okay.
It's fun. It's so
I'm fine with it.
Alright. So, what you're doing right now, 7A, is you're building a model to represent the water. Are they the water?
No.
They just represent the... Is there any weaknesses to your model?
It's not really like... Oh yeah, there's holes.
Not every. Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't.
Not everyone
It's not like an actual clear circle.
Oh, now I'm sorting it out a little bit.
You don't need to do that. You can do that.
Alright.
Yeah, do what you just did, but make your heads touch each other. Yeah.
Make your heads touch? Is that what you meant?
We are.
You said make your heads touch. Bend over like you're doing. Wow. You guys, that's what you want.
Make your
Alright, so we're going to be talking about how we can represent substances using our bodies. And right now, these guys were trying to represent that water on your coin. What other format have you seen water in? What other form have you seen water in your life, not just the dribbles on your coin? Siobhan?
I've seen water in a class.
But that's not a form, that's just a
Pipe.
place. In a class or a glass?
In a glass.
In a glass. So you've seen liquid water in a glass. What other forms have you seen water come in besides liquid?
Ice.
Steam. And steam. If you guys want these people to become steam, what would you ask them to do?
Float.
Alright then, float. Alright, we'll be talking about that. Do you think you need to come back and learn some more stuff about water? Thank you.